we have a backlog of questions. Let me do this one first of all. Bruce Springsteen, Atlantic City. Let's have a look at this for Whitney in Kentucky. So it's kind of like that. Well, now everything dies, baby, that's a fact. But maybe everything that dies someday comes back. That kind of thing. And I think it's basically looks like it's like that for the whole song. It's capo 2nd fret. Same chords, just capo is short for capo tasto, which means end of guitar or head of guitar. It's Italian. So any of you Americans that say capo, I don't know where you get the K from, because it's Italian. E minor, G, C, and G. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. We'll do it. But we're changing on and up. This will feel really weird for those of you that have never done this before. Maybe Whitney's one of these because she's only been with us a couple of weeks, I think. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm playing different Gs just in case there's one that you know. There's so many different ways to play a G. An easier change might be to the C add 9 rather than the full C chord, if the full C chord's giving you some bother. This is the Oasis or the Neil Young trick. Basically keep your third and little finger down for a whole song and it always sounds good. Does make everything sound a little bit like Wonderwall, especially with capo or capo 2nd fret. But, well, they blew up the chicken man in Philly last night. Now they blew up his house too. So in the verse it's always to the C. And then in the chorus, D and E minor. D and E minor. Okay, I was playing it wrong earlier. D and E minor, Jamaica, born, fix your hair up pretty, man tonight in Atlantic City. So the only difference is that second line of the chorus, D to E minor. But either way, I guarantee that the tricky thing you find in down, up, it's that last up. That last up that you're changing chord on. And on that last up, so we're not playing a main beat, we need to keep this right hand moving. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. My strumming hand looks like it's just going down, up, down, up, down, up all the time. I'm not doing this with a pause. It's like dead wrong. It will throw everything off. Really hard for me to do. Like it's you literally trained yourself out of that. So it's a bit of a slow play along. But even on like YouTube, you can slow down videos of like the original recording or a live version. Just slow it down to 90%, 80%. It sounds vocals sound a little funky, but it makes you play in time, and that's what you want. And you need to force the change with the chord hands. And that's how I'd recommend. Now, I don't know this song well. I literally heard it years and years ago once, and then I've heard it just before this live stream. But let's give this a go just to give you an idea. Yeah? 2, 3, 4. Well, they blew up the chicken horn man in Philly last night. Now they blew up his house too. On the boardwalk they're getting ready for a fight. Going to see them record boys can do. I'm probably making this harder than it needs to be because I don't know the song. And if you know the song really well, you'll sing it different to that. But the trick is what I'm doing now, which is just talking while actually keeping that same pattern going, so it doesn't matter where my lyrics fall. That would be the tip for everyone. Can you strum it so you can just keep a conversation? That's how you know you've got good rhythm. Well, everything dies, baby, that's a fact. But maybe everything that dies someday comes back. Put your makeup on, fix your hair up pretty, and meet me tonight in Atlantic City. Hopefully that helps, Whitney. So, wonderful way to end. I will just finish by saying, before we all go, that Fraser is attending the Oxfordshire Guitar Show at the end of May. I'll give this a shout out on Discord as well. Myself, Fraser, and Andrew, who's going to be filming us, will be attending the Brighton Guitar Show at the start of July. I'll be at the Great Escape Festival this weekend in Brighton, and I'll film little bits for you. But I'm not really working it. I've not got any band interviews booked, sadly, but there will be more band interviews to follow later this year, particularly at 2000 Trees, but there's other stuff to come too. Really hoping to get to interview some bands at Reading Festival actually this year, so that should be fun. Other than that, we'll see you over at Discord. Keep the chat going, and we'll see you the same time here next week. And all the best with your guitar playing in the meantime. We'll see you then. Have a great week. Bye-bye.